Welcome to Biopeak. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to collect your cheek swab sample for genetic testing, an important step toward understanding your unique health profile. Inside your kit, you'll find a collection tube, a swab head, a return bag, test requisition forms. Please avoid eating, drinking, smoking, or chewing gum for at least 45 to 60 minutes before collection. This will ensure accurate results. Open the swab packaging carefully from the top. Remove the swab by holding the cap only. Do not touch the swab head. Rub the swab head firmly against the surface of your cheek and gums. Repeat this for at least 2 minutes to ensure a complete sample. Remove the swab without touching it. Open the collection tube and insert the swab directly into it. Securely close the cap to prevent any leakage. Then, mix the sample thoroughly by inverting the tube several times. And place the sealed tube inside the return bag. Now, fill out the test requisition forms and place it in front of the return bag. Your sample is now ready. Simply call us to schedule collection at your convenience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for choosing Biopeak, your partner in proactive, personalized health.